Song and Grease, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
Unit 5. Cup. 1A.
Ah.
1B.
Ah.
1C.
Ah.
2A.
Cap, cup. Hat, hut. Track, truck. Ban, bun. Ankle, uncle.
2B.
Cup. Cap. Cup. Cap. Cap.
Hat, hat. Hut, hat. Hut.
Track. Truck. Track. Truck. Track.
Bun, bun. Ban, bun. Ban.
Bag. Bug. Bug. Bag. Bug.
Uncle, ankle. Ankle, uncle. Uncle, uncle.
2C.
Where's my cap? Where's my cup? There's a hat in the garden. There's a hut in the garden. See the tracks on the road. See the trucks on the road. There's a ban on it. There's a bun on it. She's got a bag. She's got a bug. My ankle was injured. My uncle was injured.
2D.
Where's my cup?
There's a hat in the garden.
See the tracks on the road.
There's a bun on it.
She's got a bag.
My uncle was injured.
1.
I've bought a new pan.
2.
Did you see the men?
3.
Did you say and?
4.
I like the fatter cheese.
5.
Don't pet the dog.
6.
These are bedclothes.
She doesn't love him.
Honey, why are you so sad? Honey, why are you so unhappy? I don't understand.
You don't love me, Jasmine.
But Duncan, I love you very much.
That's untrue, Jasmine.
Justin.
No, his brother.
Dudley.
No, stop being funny, Jasmine. Not that one. The other brother, Hunter. You think he's lovely and I'm unattractive.
Duncan, that's utter rubbish.
And Hunter loves you too.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
Duncan, just once last month I had lunch with Hunter. You mustn't worry. I like your company much better than Hunter's. Hunter's...
Oh, just shut up, Jasmine.
But honey, I think you're... But honey, I think you're wonderful.
Oh, shut up, Jasmine.
Now that's enough. You're just jealous, Duncan. You shut up.